Okay, let's well, okay. All right, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to everyone out there that's watching our videos. Thank you. One of these days I'm gonna get good at this.
Still coming, isn't it? This is working.
Alright guys, here's a shot of the engine bay after cleaning it with the easy off oven cleaner. And man, it looks really good. It took off all that tar like substance that was all over the firewall there. But I'm about to get ready to start prepping it for some paint. I'm going to use one of these Scotch-Brite pads to scuff everything up with. bristle disc to take that sticker off. I don't have the right size backing plate for a backing pad for it, but this will do. We're just going on a flat surface here, so. I'm gonna have to wipe that off again. Oh boy. Welcome to my brain. I should have known this. Oop. Okay. For a little bodywork action. Give us a little body filler. How you like this? Dual purpose. Once it was a pattern, now it's going to be a Bondo board. Well, not Bondo. I use Evercoat. This stuff's great. This stuff's great. Beginning to remember now why I didn't pursue a career in bodywork, because I hate this. I really hate this, but it's got to get done. So here we go. Ugh.
So I really appreciate it, babe.
Huh?
I really appreciate it.
Oh yeah, thank you. Good thing we're not building a show car.
Yep. I don't want to be scared to drive it.
Oh, by the way, if any of you guys are interested in buying what I would consider a top level build of a C10 pickup truck, put it down in the comments, because I know somebody that's selling one. It's not cheap, but it wasn't built cheap either, so just let me know. Just so you know, I had absolutely nothing to do with the build, so it's built well.
And all this is going to be painted with just a flat black, right?
I got gloss black for it.
Oh, okay.
But I mean, actually, I've been kind of thinking about doing like a textured paint, you know, something to. I was originally going to go with the hammer tone, because I know you like that. This girl loves her hammer tone. I'm not sure how it would look inside the engine bay, though, to be honest with you. I mean, it would hide a lot of imperfections and stuff like that, but again, I mean, we're not building a show car, but I don't know. I mean, I guess we could go buy a can and do a test spray on it, test pattern.
It just needs to protect it from rusting, right?
Yeah. Well, I'm going to tell you something too. Y'all, stuff is getting expensive. It is getting ridiculous. This can of Evercoat right here, that can, one Scotch-Brite pad, one can of self-etching primer, and one can of gloss black engine enamel was $58. $58 for 2 cans of spray paint, a Scotch-Brite pad, and a small can. I mean, that's 13 ounces of body filler, which is good stuff, but that's ridiculous, man. That is absolutely ridiculous. All right, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to everyone out there that's watching our videos. We really appreciate it. Everyone that's liking on the videos, everyone that's commenting on the videos. We had posted up a link to our playlist on YouTube, so we got a pretty positive reaction. I wasn't quite sure how it will be taken. You never know these days. It is the internet, so but everyone so far has been exceptionally positive, and we really appreciate that, guys. Thank you very much. It kind of makes us feel like, you know, the hard work is worth it. There's a lot that goes on behind the scenes as far as editing videos. I always thought that people were just you know, exaggerating whenever they would say for every minute of footage there's about an hour of editing, and I'll tell you, it's kind of close to that to turn out a decent video. Yeah, that's about what it takes. I'll sit at the dining room table for hours on end editing one 10-minute video or one 15-minute video. But knowing that you guys are out there watching, man, it makes it worth it, and I appreciate it. And all you guys out there, we'll see you at Power Tour. We're gonna make it. See you.